Hello, you are watching the Chameleo demo. Chameleo is a digital platform that helps people understand cultural differences in everyday work and life situations. It is based on over 70 years of cultural research and social science, translating academic knowledge into practical, easy-to-use tools for real-life contexts. The platform is designed for international professionals, students, newcomers, local teams, managers, educators, and public organizations working in multicultural environments. The core idea of Chameleo is simple. Cultural misunderstandings often happen not because of bad intentions, but because people interpret the same situation through different cultural lenses shaped by upbringing, social norms, and learned behaviors. Chameleo helps make those lenses visible. On screen now, you see the main entry point. A user selects the context they are interested in, such as working in a team or managing people, which belongs to the business module, or navigating everyday communication, dating, or living in a multinational family, which belongs to the personal module. On screen now, you see the matching tool, one of the core features of Chameleo. Users select two countries or cultural backgrounds they want to compare, for example, Finland and Spain. Chameleo then shows a cultural match percentage along with a short explanation of what this means in everyday interactions. Below, users can explore the comparison lens by lens. These lenses are based on cultural research and include how people communicate, how they perceive time, how decisions are made, how rules are followed, how hierarchy is perceived, how trust is built, how risk is approached, and how work-life balance is understood. Each lens is visualized on a simple scale, making differences easy to understand at a glance. Chameleo does not say who is right or wrong. Instead, it shows where expectations may differ and where misunderstandings are likely to arise. Each lens explains one or several cultural dimensions in depth, based on cultural research and real-world observation. It starts with a short explanation of why this matters in everyday work and life, often using a relatable question or situation. Next, users see how this lens is expressed differently in each country. For example, how communication works in Finland versus Spain, shown through a clear score and a human explanation of what this means in practice. Chameleo then presents concrete examples. These are short real-life scenarios, such as manager-to-employee conversations or colleague-to-colleague interactions, illustrating what is said, what is actually meant, and why it makes sense in that cultural context. Each lens also includes practical takeaways. Users see clear do's and don'ts for each culture, helping them adapt their behavior without losing authenticity or respect. The goal of each lens is not to teach stereotypes, but to build awareness. It helps users understand intentions, reduce misinterpretations, and feel more confident navigating multicultural situations. Chameleo also offers a personal module, where cultural lenses are explored through everyday situations between partners, families, friends, and people living together. At the end of each lens, Chameleo includes a short quiz. In this minimal version, it consists of just 2 questions designed to reinforce key insights and encourage reflection. In the full version, this can be expanded with additional questions and deeper learning paths. Looking ahead, we plan to add an etiquette module with short, culturally relevant videos, as well as a more gamified learning experience. This matching approach helps users quickly understand why certain situations may feel uncomfortable, confusing, or surprisingly easy when working or living across cultures. Chameleo helps people adapt, not by changing who they are, but by learning when and how to shift perspective, just like a cultural chameleon.